Ladies and gentlemen, we are back here. Oh my God, Jenkins and Freight Train. Jenkins has his ladies of the night out there as well. We're back again. Oh my God, this is what is this, like a cheeseburger eat-off? Only at the Softcore Cup. Oh, it's a Crystal Burger eating contest. Freight Train is definitely knocking some down. The ladies are enjoying it. Oh. He just offered Freight Train one of the ladies.
Turning down the underage hoe train.
He said one of them may have a disease from him. What is he doing over there in the corner?
Have an appetite.
This match is more bootleg than my damn reviews.
Uh-oh. You don't ever accept a drink from Ronnie Jenkins.
Oh, so Ronnie gave him a drink, which was nice of him. Oh, look, it's just Gatorade by the look of it. He's down in it all, too. Oh my God!
Freight Train starting to show signs of flagging here. Could be something.
Oh my! Oh my God!
Wow. Is it one too many Crystal Burgers?
One too many Crystal Burgers, and he's out by the sound of it. So what happened there? Rape face Ronnie Jenkins. This is classic Softcore Cup at its best. Now what I don't understand is why people haven't went on Smart Mark Video and ordered this right now. Ronnie Jenkins won it!
Man in wrestling advances in the
How? Oh my God!
Could this man be next #1 contender